Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Forex trading and dominate the currency markets in 2024? Welcome to your ultimate guide to mastering Forex trading concepts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video is packed with essential strategies, risk management techniques, and tips to help you trade confidently and profitably. First, let's start with the basics. What is Forex trading? Forex, or foreign exchange trading, is the process of buying and selling currencies to make profits. It's the largest financial market in the world, operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Next, let's talk about currency pairs and market structure. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs like EUR, USD, or GBP, JPY. There are major pairs, minor pairs, and exotic pairs. Understanding the structure of the global Forex market, which operates across major financial hubs, is crucial for successful trading. Now let's move on to the role of brokers and trading platforms. Choosing the right broker is vital. Look for brokers offering low spreads, reliable execution, and robust trading platforms like MetaTrader 4/5, TradingView, or cTrader. Next up, pip, lot size, and leverage. A pip is the smallest price move that a given exchange rate can make. Lot sizes determine the volume of your trades, and leverage allows you to control a large position with a small amount of capital. But be careful. High leverage can amplify both profits and losses. Understanding market analysis is key. Technical analysis involves studying charts, indicators, and patterns. Fundamental analysis focuses on macroeconomic news, interest rates, and geopolitical events. Both types of analysis are essential for making informed trading decisions. Risk management techniques are critical. Always use stop-loss orders, position sizing, and maintain a favorable risk-reward ratio. Managing your emotions during trades and sticking to a solid trading plan will safeguard your capital. Let's dive into trading strategies for success. Popular strategies include scalping, day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Learn to identify trends, use momentum indicators, and set up your trade entries and exits effectively. The psychology of Forex trading is often overlooked. Emotions like fear and greed can impact your decision-making. Staying disciplined and mastering your mindset is crucial for long-term success. Automation and AI in Forex trading are game changers. Automated trading bots and AI-driven systems can enhance your trading efficiency. The future of Forex trading is increasingly driven by these advanced technologies. Finally, developing your own trading strategy is a must. Build a personalized trading plan, backtest your strategies, and refine them using real market data. Adapt your strategies based on market conditions and your trading goals. By mastering these key concepts, you're well on your way to becoming a successful Forex trader in 2024. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights. Happy trading!